Hi everybody, this is Bob Iacchino from Path Trading Partners, along with my co-founder Mike Arnold. It is October 9th, and this is a Path Chat, cryptocurrency, educational update, covering Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin. Bitcoin Cash a little bit lower, Bitcoin a little bit higher. Let me turn it over to Mike to let you know what he's seeing on the charts. Mike, it's all yours.
Thank you, Bob. Bitcoin Cash, first off, start the day. Nice big sell-off down to 300, dipping even below the 300 level. Hit a bunch of our key levels on the downside. This is still in major sell mode, or don't do anything to get long until you have a very high probability reversal pattern. So we went through our next key levels easily. This 328, this 335 level. Let's update those now. We can, well, just remove them. I already have them. Next key levels down there. We also pretty much just dipped below the 625 extension level, which lines up exactly with the all-time lows to all-time highs, 75% GAN retracement level. That is at 286. So let me also clean up these levels because we won't need those to the upside because the potential double bottom did not trigger. You can see it went down to where it was a valid double bottom and then just continued to tank. Paused for a bit at our levels, wait for the 8 to catch up, and then pushed lower. What are we looking for now? Let me remove these other levels. We'll leave that one on, this 319, in case we get a stronger rally back up. This is now resistance to the falling rotation zone. Yeah, we're recovering a bit, but we need a very strong bottoming pattern before we'd be willing to do anything. If we turn lower below this 280 mark, the next two levels, 268.24, 256.38, and then beyond that, let's switch over to the daily. Daily will give us a better idea. Let's auto adjust the chart. Okay, the daily. Then we're down to an ABC projection from the high of 928 to the low of 10.5, projected from the high of 10.6. That can also give us this 233.61. And then below that, we will be watching for right around the 208 level. This is a lot of weakness at 208 levels, right down around there, end of this clear path. But we'd have to trade into this, below this level of this 271 first, which is lining up probably with this 268. Let me just highlight that. This is next end of a clear path. So if we zoom in here, switching back to 4 hour, you can see we have really 273 to 268 is the next key level we'll be watching for on a push lower. Rotation zone is against us both on the daily and on the 4 hour, so there is really nothing to do here. Back to the daily, you see we're still in bearish mode. Even if we rallied all the way back to 355, we're super extended from the rotation zone, so do not be surprised if we do get some snapback rallies or something. If we don't, then this is incredibly weak. Finally, one that is not weak, Bitcoin US dollar. Really nice moves, catching on the rotation zone, moving back up, pushing through our next levels, hitting the clear path, hitting our GAN projections. We're just going to update these. We're going to move these higher off the last major swing so we can have some next higher price targets. Pausing here at the end of this clear path, pulling back to the rotation zone, rotating back up. Also, that was really nice in the 1 hour rotation zone using multi-time frame analysis. Getting through our next major key levels all the way up to the breakdown level at this 48.63. So again, key support now coming in at 46.32 area. Should we pull back, that would take you into the rotation zone, or it can pause here, moving sideways and let the rotation zone catch up. Again, this is getting slightly extended, although 8 keeps pushing the price. So don't, until we get a big pullback, we've got to keep going with the price action that has been working. Again, if we push higher, next 49.20, then 49.60 to 49.71, and then our new projected key level Should we go to new highs? 51.25, and that's from the lows here 9.22 to the high at 10.2, projected from the low at 10.5. That gives us our 62.5, which we've already got through, and now our full one target would be 51.25 should we continue up. Let's check in on our daily chart. Keep everything in perspective. At some point, we're going to get a bigger pullback and allow it to catch the rotation zone again. See, every time we pull away, don't know when that's going to happen, we get the bigger pullback eventually to the rotation zone. Now we are pulling away, especially if we get back up here to this 4,900 to 4,909 area. Slight push higher, you might see a pause, some more profit taking near these old recent highs, and we might get a multi-day pullback into the rotation zone, but we will keep monitoring it. Nothing that we can predict at this point. We just have to trade the unfolding price action. That's the update for everyone on Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin. Back to you, Bob.
Thanks for that, Mike, and thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. Hit like, leave us a comment, and we will talk to you in the next Path Chat. Cheers, everybody.